I hope you guys are ready. I got my tea and we're about to get into this video. Let's do it. Alright, I am super excited about today's video. As you probably read the title, I will be unboxing my new Kindle Paperwhite. Yay! I know. I've heard the heretics, okay? And this is what they're saying.
Oh my god. You bought a Paperwhite? Do you even read real books? Are you even a true book nerd?
Stop the rumors. Just because you buy a Kindle Paperwhite does not mean you're not a real book nerd. I hear it, and honestly, I don't care. I have an entire bookshelf. That doesn't mean I want to take every book with me on the go. If I can have it in a handheld device, I'm gonna capitalize on that. Sometimes the girlies don't want their books get messed up. I personally am one of the girlies who might have messed up a book or two, okay? Oh, good heavens! So I ended up getting the 12th generation Paperwhite. I thought about getting the basic, but I thought that was just a little too small for me. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll talk about some of the pros and cons while I do that. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Lose yourself in a book. It's 7 inches, it has warm light settings, it's waterproof, and apparently it's supposed to have weeks of battery life. So let's see if that is true. All right, we'll open the boring stuff first. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cable. Set that aside. It also looks like it comes with an instruction manual to tell you what is going to be coming in the Kindle. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened up. This is just the black color because I didn't like the metallic color at all. I'm a green girly, but I'm picky with my greens, and the metallic one was not the move. So I just got a black one and decided I'm just going to customize it as I go. All right, there it is. This is the Kindle Paperwhite. It's honestly a little bit bigger than the size of my hand, so that's pretty easy to hold. I think this is a really good size, honestly. All right, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. We have the power button and then a USB-C slot on the bottom. Now that it's on, we're gonna pick our language, which obviously for me it's gonna be English. They have different languages for. So you can set it up with your phone or you can set it up on the Kindle. I'm gonna choose my phone because I do already have the Kindle app. So that'll make it much easier. So let's go ahead and open that up. All right, I'm in the Kindle app. We're gonna go to more, settings, and then we're gonna do Amazon device simple setup. Allow Bluetooth, and I believe they sync to each other. Paperwhite found, yes, go ahead and get that started. Boom, look how easy that was. Oh my gosh, I love technology. So here we have our home, and this is gonna be our library. I actually have the Kindle app already, so I have a few books that I would have downloaded. When it comes to downloading books, it's super straightforward. All you do is press on it, it'll queue it up, it'll start downloading it, and then boom, now you have your books. What I like to do personally is go through and filter to have only downloaded content on there. That way, only the books that I'm currently reading show up on here. So if we were to open one up, swipe left to change pages, swipe right to go back. If you press the bottom down here, slide open the bottom like that, you can see your chapters. That is the basic gist of it. So yeah. So I had a Kindle for a brief period of time, and I personally think it scratches really easily. So I did buy some matte screen protectors. I got a clear case because I want to decorate it the way I want to. And then I bought a vintage sticker set off Amazon. It came with 300 stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 300 stickers, but I'll use them for the Kindle. That's okay. I'll go ahead and apply my screen protector. I got just a 3-pack off of Amazon. They're supposed to be matte screen protector. Throw those out. I need a screen protector. And it looks like what you're gonna use to install it. Go ahead and power it down for this step. If you're still watching this video, I'm gonna assume that you like books or that you might like to read. If that's the case, I would love for y'all to share your book suggestions with me. I just need more books to read. Like, you can never have enough books to read, and I would love for y'all to comment which ones y'all read. Honestly, this Kindle is really just an excuse for me to get back into reading because I just want something to take on the go with me. Like, it's so hard to just tote your books around with you. So this was something for me just to be able to pull out any situation, and I'm really, honestly, super duper 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 excited about it. Also, this is the second screen protector I did. The first one did not work with me and I had to chunk it into the trash can, but honestly, I'm glad it came in a 3-pack because I definitely needed more than one chance. Also, just in case someone told you, I hope you're having an amazing day and that your month and week and year and everything that you're having at this period of time is freaking amazing. Honestly, for the layout of this book, I'm really just freehanding it with whatever pops up first in my head, and for that, it looks like tearing up this book that I have is the best plan to go. So let's go ahead and be on board with that. Once again, this is really a lot of stickers. Like, I genuinely don't know what to do with 300 stickers, but I just am gonna use them because I don't know. Maybe I'll sticker bomb my wall. Maybe I'll throw them at people. I don't know. You know what I should do? I should rise up and create a sticker army, and then we're gonna have world domination, and everybody is gonna get stickers. Okay, anyways, back on topic to the video. My favorite genre of books is horror. But it's so hard to find a good horror book sometimes because I'm like, do I want gore? Do I want mystery? Do I want to be on the edge of my seat? Like, it's hard to pick. If you like horror books, go ahead and comment down below. Or tell me again what your favorite genre of books is. Please, I want to know more about you guys. I say that, but I also do love me a good fantasy book too. Anyways, this is what the finished decorations look like. I really love it with all my heart. Like, it's so cute. It gives me like cottagecore book girly vibes, you know what I'm saying? If you have time, why don't we just vibe and, you know, like, read together? I feel like that'd be fun. Yeah, let's read together, guys.